Are you real? So I'm not dead? That's nice. I can sit up, I'm okay. But thank you. You saved me. I was just sitting on the docks and my chair tipped over and then I can't swim, so thank you for diving in after me. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. You're drenched. I'm drenched. Are you cold? I am a little. What? Oh, thanks. Yeah, a change of clothes would be great if you have something. I'm not picky. Just as long as it's dry. No, this is perfect. Is there a place I can change? So, is this your boat? What? Oh, the shirt? It's comfortable. A little big on me, but that works in my favor. It's like a dress. No, it doesn't smell like fish, don't worry. Well, maybe a little, but I like fish. So, the boat, it's your grandfather's? How often do you use it? Oh, yeah? I'd come out here every day if I could. It's so peaceful. It's one of the few places I've ever been where, I don't know, I feel like nothing bad could ever happen here. That is, until I nearly drowned. You are correct. I don't live here. What gave me away? Do I really seem like that much of a tourist? Okay, that makes sense. Living right here on the water like this, I imagine everyone here could swim before they could walk. Whereas I can't even doggy paddle. I don't know, I just never learned. I grew up in a busy city with busy parents who never really had the time to teach me. And I never had a reason to learn. Yeah, I guess now I do. Except, should I even bother if I have you to save me? Well, I'm just visiting for the summer. I'm staying with my grandparents. In that house right there. I actually only have a couple days left here. I fly home Monday. Yeah, maybe. Probably. I'm sure that I'll come back at some point. I've actually only visited my grandparents here once. But it doesn't really count because I was just a baby, so I don't remember any of it. But yeah, maybe I will come back next summer. I don't see why not. What was I doing? Oh, on the docks. I was taking pictures. Yeah. Well, kind of. I'm new to it. I got a camera for my birthday, and so I've just been, like, messing around with it. And trying out photography. I could show you my pictures, but my bag is still on the docks, so... Oh, you grabbed it for me. Thanks. The pictures really aren't any good, though. I mean, don't expect these, like, really breathtaking landscapes or anything. Thank you. You don't have to say that, though. I love the way the ocean glitters in this one. Oh, that one. Yeah. Sorry, I just saw you on the boat, and the sun was hitting your face just right, and I thought it would make a good shot. But I can delete it if you want me to. Okay. You photograph well. Some people's faces, no matter how good they look in real life, just doesn't translate well into pictures. So, have you been out here for a while? Since dawn? Why in the world would you voluntarily wake up at dawn? You must really like it. Is there any particular reason you spend so much time out here? Yeah, I get that. It's nice to get away from everything. Wow, you're perceptive. Yeah, that is why I came here for the summer. To get away. I mean, not from anything bad. I'm not running from, like, the law or a crazy ex-boyfriend or something. I just wanted something. Honestly, I don't know what I was looking for exactly. Just something different. Did I? Did I what? Oh, find something different. I don't know. Use your freaky perception. So, in all your time on the water, have you ever seen any sharks? Really? What about dolphins? I'm just curious. I've never seen either. The only thing we have in Detroit are pigeons. Yeah, and lots of traffic to wake you up in the middle of the night. I wish I had the ocean to fall asleep to. It's so soothing. Even just looking at the ocean makes me feel small. Yeah. I know feeling small gets to some people, but I kind of like it. Takes the pressure off, knowing you're just a microscopic part of something so much bigger. I'm gonna take another picture. Yeah, do you want to be in it? You don't have to. Both of us? Like a selfie? We don't even know each other. So, it's just funny to take a selfie together like we've been friends for years. But sure, let's do it. Wow, is that what my hair looks like right now? It's a good picture. You've got a nice smile. I can send it to you if you want. Sure. What's your number? Wait, shoot. Do you have a pen? Okay, I'll just write it on my arm here. As long as I don't fall into the water again, it'll work. Okay, what is it? And there we go. So, I'm supposed to get lunch with my grandparents today, so I should probably Yeah. It'll be good to get the taste of seawater out of my mouth. Thank you again for saving my life. Are you gonna be here tomorrow by any chance? I was just wondering, maybe, I don't know, maybe I could come by and we could hang out on your boat again. I promise not to fall into the water. I only have a couple days left here, and I don't know, it'd be kind of cool to spend them with you. If you want, I mean. Okay. So, I'll see you tomorrow then. And just so you know, there's no way I'm waking up at dawn for this.